Today, we caught up with Honourable Toke Talangi for a response to events that took place over the festive season and within the public service. Firstly, a resignation of new Public Service Commissioner, Ms. Esther Pavihi, was received before Christmas, and today we asked Honourable Premier Toke Talangi about the sudden departure. Premier Talangi said he's sad it happened, but it's up to individuals when they wish to leave the public service. This morning, Premier Talangi met with the new Public Service Commission and also discussed the appointment of a new Public Service Commissioner. And staying with the public service, we asked Premier Talangi about some of the key positions in the public service that some said is headed by Premier Toke Talangi's own people. He said those who have been employed to undertake the work of some of the departments were employed by the new Public Service Commission and not the Premier. On another note, those people, Premier Talangi said, were employed in those positions before he became leader. He can't help some accusations that are spread by a few people to cause conflict. Niue's new banking agreement is likely to complete next month. Today, Honourable Toke Talangi said he cannot disclose the information on the new bank as to which bank will service the island until the agreement is complete, and that is likely to finalize next month. Speculation also that the new bank will only serve a savings account. Premier Talangi said he wants to assure people that the government will do its best to bring the service to the island. He said that no government will purposely establish relationships with a banking provider that does not address the needs of the people, and that is what the government wishes to establish for the people on Niue. There is growing concerns over the dreaded mealybugs and aphid bugs as it continues to kill plants and edible fruit trees, but also affecting other plants. From our understanding, the bugs do not kill the tree itself, but the fungi secretion it leaves on the plant. With some on the island trying all sorts of methods to assist with their plants, Niue Department of Agriculture will also resume the Around the Island spraying program. One of the representatives from the department said hot weather for a long period last year has accelerated the problem, and the department wished to advise the public to contact the department if you wish to have your trees and plants included in the spraying program. Some of the farmers said the best way to rid the bugs is to burn leaves and rubbish under the trees, with some using charcoal to spray, but it seems alternative methods has not had positive results. With the latest bout of rain, it is hoped the problem will slowly reduce the spread of the dreaded fungi. Hikutamake Church has reopened last Sunday after much controversy at the first attempt to reopen the church. Iglesia Cristiano Niue Committee attended the opening on Sunday after a meeting with the two factions and government representatives. The Ecclesia Committee is hoping the efforts to resolve issues within the religious factions would soon restore the church activities to normal. It is not confirmed either as to who the new church minister will take over the Hikutamaki parish. And to end our news bulletin, Niue government's efforts to address food security on the island has been received with great pleasure from the public. The Poultry initiative proved extremely popular, with many on the island queuing to purchase more chicks and chickens from the Department of Agriculture. The project to introduce sustainable food security can be seen with extra number of eggs shared and sold by many small poultry farmers. The initiative has now been privatized as well. DAF representatives said they are pleased that people can continue to increase food supply with locally farmed eggs and chickens, and the success of the project is noticeable. The private company that has taken over the poultry project belongs to Mr. Willie Sanitelli, who farmed over 400 chicks and will continue the popular business into sustainable living for the island. That's our news bulletin for this evening. Good night.